Hey there, YouTube creators! Welcome back to the Easy Way Tutorials channel, the go-to place for all your productivity hacks and tech tutorials. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're diving into the world of Google Sheets and Google Drive. Ever wondered how to seamlessly insert images from your Google Drive directly into your Google Sheets? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to make your data more visually appealing and engaging. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. As you take a glance at my Google Sheet, you'll notice that I'm aiming to enhance the visual appeal by adding some images to the designated cells. To achieve this, let's navigate to our Google Drive, where we've stored the images we want to insert into the Google Sheets. For me, these are the images I've chosen to incorporate. Now, the next crucial step involves right-clicking on the specific image you wish to add. From the options, select Share option. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Currently, the image is set to restricted access, meaning it's visible only to you. Let's modify that by allowing anyone with the link to view it. To accomplish this, navigate to the General Access section and change the drop-down from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Copy the provided link and then click Done. Now, in my notepad, I have a specific link that will help us displaying the images in our sheets. We're going to integrate the image ID from the link we copied earlier into this link. To proceed, paste the previously copied link in the notepad. Within this link, you can find the ID situated between the characters D and view. Copy this ID and then insert it into the link format below. Now, copy the entire new link. Head back to your Google Sheets, click on the cell where you want the image to be placed, and type equal, image, parentheses, then double quotes, then paste the image link, press enter. Within a few seconds, you'll witness the image seamlessly appearing in the selected cell. You can do the same process for other images. At the end of the video, I hope this was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace.